हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो आप लोग सब अपना करियर स्टार्ट करना चाहते हैं विद एयरलाइंस, विद टूरिज्म और हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री। इज दैट राइट? डू यू रियली थिंक द एयरलाइंस आर नॉट ग्रोइंग नाउ? Do you think they are not hiring and they are already reducing people? No, my friend, the news is something else, and let me show you the fact. So the airlines like Indigo, Vistara are already looking for more and more cabin crew and ground staff personnel for their airlines, and they are regularly coming out with ads. And do you know there are new airlines also coming up? Have you heard that Jet Airways is going to start operations once again, and they are already hiring people to start their operations in India. Mr. Jhunjhunwala is starting a new airline called Akasa Airline, and you can see their ads now for ground staff as well as for cabin crew. Air India is taken over by Tata's, which means it's going to change the face of the aviation industry in India. And you will see more and more opportunities coming in Air India as well. And not only airlines in India, but international airlines are also looking for more and more manpower now. Look at this ad from Emirates. They are hiring 5,000 people from all over the world as cabin crew and 500 people to be based in Dubai as ground staff. Qatar Airways is also now hiring regularly. All these opportunities are available for the people who are ready to grab these opportunities. Now that's not the end. There'll be more opportunities coming in the future. And if you are serious about making a difference for yourself, then you need to start getting trained from today so that you can grab all these jobs which will be coming up in the future. So what are you waiting for? You can start your journey towards success by joining our pre-recorded online course and start learning at your own convenience and at the comfort of your own house, and also at the most affordable cost. You want to learn more about this? Please log into our website and find out the details, and we're going to see you there in the classes very soon. Thank you and all the best.